Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are fit and fine. I welcome you back to your EVS class. Now is the time for revision. So, let's revise today. What is cooking? At first, we will be reading about what are utensils. Utensils are the different containers that are used for cooking food. So, very commonly we see different utensils in our home. Utensils are made up of different types of things. Some of them are made up of metals like steel, aluminium, iron, and some of glass. Even we use earthen utensils, which are made up of clay. So these are the utensils that we use.
Check out more utensils and learn about them. What is this?
कढ़ाई.
Right. I use it for frying and cooking vegetables. This is a tawa. This is used for making roti, paratha, chila, and even a dosa. This is a pressure cooker. Items like rice, lentils, and khichdi are cooked in it. And these are different types of spoons and ladles.
Ma, are all these utensils made of metal?
Yes, Raju. Utensils are made of iron, copper, and other metals as well. These days, we use more of steel, which is an alloy. An alloy is a mixture of different metals.
Now the next thing that comes in our mind is what is cooking? So let's see what is cooking. So cooking is the practice of preparing food by mixing and heating different ingredients together. Suppose you are making rice, you are cooking rice. So the ingredients that you will need will be rice grains, water. You will mix them and you will cook rice by boiling all of them together. Now the next thing that comes in our mind is ingredients. So what are ingredients? Ingredients are the individual food items that are combined together to make a new dish. For example, if you are cooking dal, for making dal you need the grains of dal, then you need onion, salt, turmeric powder, water, chilies. You have to mix all of them together and make dal. Now, have you ever observed anything being cooked in your kitchen? Yes, you all have seen your mother cooking chapati or roti. So tell me, what are the steps for cooking roti or chapati? At first, you have to take out flour in a utensil. Then what you have to do? You have to knead it into a dough by mixing water in the wheat. Then making small balls of the dough. And we have to roll out that balls. And then we have to cook our roti on fire.
Let me tell you how a roti is made. First of all, we knead wheat flour with water into a dough. Then we make small dough balls from it. These balls are flattened with the help of a rolling pin and a plate. This flat circle of dough is then placed on a hot tawa. At times, we remove the roti from the tawa and cook it directly on the stove flame. This is how hot rotis are made.
Now, as you all have seen, that for cooking roti, we have to roast it directly on fire. Similarly, there are some other food items which are prepared by different methods of cooking. So let's see what are those. Here you can see some name of method of cookings are given. That is roasting, boiling, frying, baking, steaming. What you have to do, you have to write the names of the things that are prepared by using these methods of cooking. Now the next topic is what are fuels. For cooking food, we need fire, and for producing that fire, we need to burn fuel. Now what are these fuels? So fuels are something that burns and gives us heat energy, that is fire or heat, which we use for cooking our food. Some examples of fuel that we use are kerosene, LPG gas, cow dung cakes or wood, electricity, coal, sunlight. Here is an activity given in your book where you have to match the fuels with the cooking appliances where we are using that fuel. So in the first one we can see a chulha where we use coal or wood as a fuel. So in this way you have to match the fuels that are given along with the cooking appliances, means in which cooking appliance we use which fuel. Alright students? Now there are some food items that we don't cook, that we can eat raw. Like we can eat salad as a raw food, like cucumber, tomato, onion. We can eat as raw food items. Many fruits are also there which we can eat raw. We don't need to cook them and eat them. Similarly, we have lassi, which we can prepare without cooking. Without using any fire, we can make lassi and drink it. Similarly, we have lemon water. We don't need any fire for cooking them. We can make them without fire.
We can cook a few things without using the gas stove.
Like
Lemonade. It is very simple to make. First, fetch a glass. Add water to it and then squeeze a lemon. Be careful that no lemon seeds are added to the solution. Then dissolve salt or sugar as you like. Here, your lemonade is ready.
Similarly, you can make some other food items like sandwich, aloo chaat, bhel puri without using any fire. So students, try this at home and enjoy them. Students, you might have seen at your house that some utensils have wooden or plastic handles. Why they are having wooden or plastic handles? Because wood does not get heated up very fast and we can hold the vessel easily and cook our food. Here you can see a table is given where you have to write the names of some food items that you can eat raw. In the next one, you have to write name of some food items that you need to eat after cooking them. And in the last box, things that can be eaten both raw and cooked, which you can eat as a raw food also, and you can even eat them after cooking them. Alright students? Alright students, today after this, I will be back soon with the next revision video. Till then, you all stay safe, stay home and start revising properly. Bye bye everyone.